In 4.5, number 4, you have two inequalities to solve. So you have y less than 2x. So first we find the boundary by saying y equals 2x and plotting those points. So just put in a couple of points for x, and that gives you a couple of ordered pairs. If x is 0, 2 times 0 is 0. If x is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. Then we have the line x plus y equals 1 for another boundary. Here, if x is 0, then y is 1. If y is 0, x is 1. Now, once you have these points, you can go ahead and decide to plot the line. So we have 0, 0, 1, 2. And then we take a straight edge. That came with a less than symbol, so we use a dotted line. To decide to shade above or below that line, go ahead and pick a point not on the line and test it in the inequality. So how about I test 2, 0. So in the first inequality there, 0 is the y, and that is less than 2 times 2. So I want to be on the side the 2, 0 is on, so below that dotted line. Now we go ahead and do the second line, so we go through the point 0, 1 and 1, 0. And then we have to decide to shade above or below that line, so I'll pick the point 0, 0 to test. So 0 plus 0 is less than 1. So I want to pick the side that 0, 0 is on, so I want to pick below. So to be below both dotted lines where these arrows are pointing is in this area. Now plotting this in WebAssign can be a little tricky, so let's look at that together. Whenever you're plotting on WebAssign like this, use the box below, the object property box. So first click on line. I think because this is late, I have to request an extension. Let me do that. Okay, let's try again. So I'm going to put the object's properties in. If you don't use the object properties, you could have the right answer and still not be getting the answer to come out right. So pick a line. I don't want to do this tutorial. Let's cancel that. Okay, pick a line. Let's refresh this page. Okay, there we go. Pick a line. Pick the object properties, so you're picking the points on the line. So I'm going to pick the ordered pair I had was 0, 0, 0, and then I had another ordered pair on the first line that was 1, 2. And I needed a dotted line, so I'll pick that. Now I'll pick another line tool and put the ordered pairs in that line. So 0, 1, and 1, 0. So if you don't use the object tools, then it might not come out right, even if you have the right points, because it's not expecting you to have all these points. Some students like drag points over there or click on the line, and that adds points, and it's not going to work. If you accidentally did that, choose the Clear All button and start over using only the object properties. Where did that question go? Oh, I forgot to fill it. Okay, so last of all, let's fill. We decide to fill this area right here. Okay, so let's do that. And now it should be just fine. Unless it's not. Let's see. So we'll clear all and try again. So first line went through. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. The one the student submitted had a less than, and this one has a less than or equal to. So let's do this again. So 0, 1, no, 0, 0 on the first line, and then 1, 2 on the second line, and that is a solid line for the problem that I've assigned. So you all have a little different problems. Second line was 0, 1, 1, 0. And it was a dashed line. And then we needed to fill right here. And now we should be fine. So if yours isn't working, choose clear all, and then only use the object properties to enter in your equations of your lines, or the points on the lines rather. Don't be clicking on the graph. That will give you points that should not be included in the answer.